Welcome back, Panda-Frog here. Today I like to do my fourth entry into RunePicker's Spicy Challenge. The third entry probably won't count, so yeah, let's do the fourth one. If you don't know, we have to pick a challenge log or a bucket list log, and we have to start with something like Tabasco, and for the second, third, fourth, so on entry, you have to take stronger stuff before you pick the log. And here's my spoon, nice silver spoon, and I'm doing today the crazy bastard sauce habanero tomatillo with 4 flames, and it's about 25,000 Scoville. The last sauce I had was 10,000, so it's quite more. I'm picking this challenge log from Poland, from Yabende, something like that. I will put the correct name in the description. I have picked it. It's not really hard, but I haven't looked at the key. We will do that afterwards, and I haven't gutted it. So I don't know what's in here, but I know how to pick it. Hopefully. I got my milk here, in case I'm already getting little stomach problems, so yeah. Oh, this is not supposed to be here. This is for my giveaway. Still running 1 week. Actually, we got a second coin from a guy on Reddit, and check out my video about getting a sparrow coin in the giveaway. Alright, so let's go on. And I got this log from Germany, from Mr. Black. Thank you so much. And he sent me this spinning tray. And yeah, I like it. Let's put it to use, huh? Afterwards, of course. So, let's prepare everything. I'm probably gonna die with this sauce. I haven't tried it. Let's pick it this way. So, let me get everything into focus. Focus point. I'm using this nice pick from Matt's. Yeah, from Matt. And part of this, the money he got from me, was donated to the breast cancer awareness campaign he's doing. So yeah, check that out as well. Alright, so I'm opening up. Alright. This is more liquidy. I think that's more than enough. You guys. This have to put on the cap here. I don't want to do this, but I have to. Trying to get some courage. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. Damn, this is hot. Oh fuck. Okay, this is a lot hotter than the last time. Okay, so pin, first pin. Okay, second, okay. Third, no click. Damn, this is hot. Okay, the trick with this lock, when you set the first 4 pins, so the last one is very hard to reach, so I'm going in the other way around. And let's see if my trick does work. No, it does not. Fuck. Sorry. This is hot. This is hot as hell. My lips are burning right now. Okay. And I'm starting to sweat. And of course it doesn't open. God. Now we... And so you see, I suspect that the key is very flat. Very shallow. I don't know yet, because I haven't opened it. The key or the... So what I did is, I got every pin very quickly. To get to the last pin, I turned and push it upwards. So now we are open. And now I have to gut it. My lips are burning. But it's a nice sharpness. Alright, so let's get some more focus down here. I'm gonna use some milk, I'm sorry. Wait, that was hot. Alright, so let's see the key. Yeah, as I suspected, it was very flat. As you can see. Well, you can see it. My lips are still burning. God. And I'm sweating a lot. So if I'm gonna do the fifth... No, I'm not going to do a fifth. Alright, so let's get some tweezers here. No, we don't need tweezers. Some pliers. Still burning. Rune, I still hate you for this. Alright, so let's see what's in here. I'm sorry. I'm still sweating like a pig. Ah, fuck. Great, Chris. Now you don't know which one is which. Let's do it like this. So the first one was a normal. It's a normal. Third one is normal. I get you a better picture. So there's one alliteration. Don't have any threading. Let's see what we got in here. Where's my tweezers? My lips are still burning. I'm dying. So we got some serration on this one. It's actually a driver pin. No, it's a key pin in a driver pin position. This one has a little more. It's also looks like a driver pin. It's a normal spring. I don't know what's normal for this lock, but I should guess it's a normal. Yeah. So, by the way, if you want this lock next, just drop me a line and I will choose someone to send it to. So we got a mushroom pin. I will get a close look. It's a regular spring, nothing special here. We got some serration on this one. And the last spring is a little shorter. No, it's the same. Sorry, it's the same. This looks like a little penis. So let's look in here. What I have to say, I like the way how he puts in his name. Yabende. And check out my website, challengelog.com. I have he has quite some challenge logs on my page. Alright, so let me just sort it really quick. so it's all the right way up. My lips are still burning, by the way. The sauce is really hot, in my opinion. It's hot. I love this pick, by the way. The one is great. Did a good job. Alright, so let me get this into you. Is that sharp? Yeah, it looks like it. So yeah, that's the pins. That was my entry into RP Spicy Challenge. Not a difficult challenge lock, but a fun pick. Once you know how to pick it, it is quite easy. It was still fun. And my lips are still burning. Sorry for all this swearing in the beginning. But it had to be. So if you want the challenge log, just write it in the comments, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.